Oh, hey guys, I didn't hear you sneaking up on me. I was just in here taking a nap. Hi guys, welcome back to the Untamed Path. In this beautiful day here in northern Minnesota. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, please subscribe. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. Guys, I got this amazing gift for Father's Day for my daughter. It's a single person tent made by Clostnature. I got it out of the box. Haven't even opened up the carrying case yet. Super excited. Somehow she found out that I had been looking for a tent, and voila, here we are. I'm super excited about this. And so I thought I would share with you setting it up and see what it's going to look like. This tent is going to bring a lot of fun and adventure. All right, guys, let's open this up and see what we got inside. I'm going to tell you, the biting flies and the horse flies, deer flies are out in... They're just crazy. Seems like every time I turn around, I'm getting bit. So what we got so far is a 1-year warranty card, instructions, and some stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? And the instructions are also attached to the inside of the bag on how to set it up. So let's roll it out and see what we got inside here, guys. Looks like we got a nice pouch that'll probably go inside the tent to store things like your phone, and see what we got in this bag. These are the poles for the for the tent. That's cool. Easy enough to set up. Let's see what we got in this bag here. Oh, we got all the tent spikes and cord to attach to the tent. Looks like this here's the rain fly, in case you're out in the rain and in bad weather. And this here's the tent. How cool is that? Awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and set this thing up. First thing we're going to do is connect the two poles. I already got one pole set up over here, and I thought I'd show you with this one how easy it is just to put these together. They just snap or go into place. Now the tent has 4 grommets, one on each corner, and the pole is going to connect diagonally there into that one over there. So let's put this thing together. The tent has these clips. They're going to attach to the poles. So let's set that up now. So this cover can be used if it's raining, it's waterproof. And so if the weather's really nice and you want lots of ventilation, this is all open net, so it can keep the mosquitoes and all the bugs out. And they made it pretty simple. This is reflective, so at night you can see it. It's got a zipper and Velcro, and it's going to be secured. Each corner has these clips. Okay, we got 2 more clips. Got a nice zipper. There we go, guys. That was really easy, actually. 2 poles, the tent, the outside cover. I didn't actually time it, but I bet that didn't take any more than 3 to 5 minutes. If you want to open this and get some good ventilation, get some air in the tent, these open and you could roll it up. It's a perfect tent for 1 person. This tent actually has ventilation that you can set up. You open this little thing, connect the Velcro, and it'll open up, and there's one on this side. And get some cross ventilation in there. This is an awesome tent, perfect for 1 person. Guys, I thought I'd give you a perspective of what it looks like from the inside of the tent. It's got a hook, you can hang a light. It's got a nice pouch to store things in. Probably easier to see from the outside. It's just perfect for 1 person. Around of the tent just to give you a better perspective on how big or not big the tent is. It's just perfect for 1 person, really lightweight. And that's what it looks like with the rain fly on it, which is really easy to put on or take off. Thanks for joining us today on the Untamed Path as we unbox and set up our new Clostnature tent. If you're in the market for a new tent, I'll leave a link in the description below. And stay tuned for some new camping adventures with the tent. And remember to always keep your compass pointed north and keep a smile on your face. Have a great day. Deuces!